Imagine yourself in this cheap 2020 Cherokee Latitude Plus. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: engine 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR with ESS, STD, diamond black crystal pearl coat, tires, 225/60R17 BSW all season, STD, black cloth premium vinyl bucket seats, power front fixed rear full sunroof, quick order package 2BD included, engine 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR with ESS transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, gross vehicle weight, 5050 lbs, STD, 3.734 axle ratio, STD, and wheels, 17 inches x 7 satin carbon aluminum STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click